Did you know that headphones can harbor bacteria? It's important to clean them regularly to maintain their performance and hygiene. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Unplug and turn off. For wired headphones, unplug them from the device. For wireless, turn them off. Step 2. Wipe exterior. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the exterior of the headphones. Avoid getting any moisture in the electronic components. Step 3. Disinfect. Dampen the cloth with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol or mild soap solution. Wipe down the non-electronic parts, such as the ear cups and headband. Step 4. Clean ear pads. Remove the ear pads if they are removable. Clean them separately and let them dry completely before reattaching. Step 5. Detail cleaning. Use a cotton swab slightly dampened with alcohol to clean around buttons and small crevices. A soft bristled toothbrush can help remove stubborn grime. Step 6. Cleaning the mesh. Be extra gentle if there's mesh that covers the speakers. Use a dry toothbrush or compressed air to remove debris. Step 7. Drying. Allow everything to dry completely before reassembling or using the headphones. And that's it. Remember, cleaning your headphones regularly is important. According to a study by the National Library of Medicine, headphones can harbor bacteria. So, take care of them and enjoy your music.